This video tutorial I will explain split iterator method of arrays class which accept int array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. Then I am calling split iterator method of arrays class passing int array. This method returns split iterator. Then I am calling try split method of split iterator, and this returns split iterator covering some portion of the elements. And here I am printing the split iterator 1 content. Here I am printing split iterator 2 content. I am running this program, and here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.